Impress yourself means to take that moment for yourself to step it up a notch. My grandma used to say, oomph, just give yourself that oomph, Lizzy, just to make yourself feel just that much better before you go out and tackle the world. I'm Lizzy Mathis. I am a mom of 3, and I also have a site called thecoolmom.co. I think the simplicity of the wooden table is what drew me to it. Making sure that we curated a space that blended the vintage as well as the modern was really important to us. So having this simple, small piece tied it all together. Making sure we maintain the quality of the piece is important within our space. That little touch of just making it shine again is just, it gives me a good feeling when I walk into the room. As moms and as women, you know, sometimes we don't always give ourselves the little things just to like boost ourselves up. And even if that's just a pillow or a vase with flowers or a certain table that you just love that'll just make you smile every morning when you wake up and see it, I think that's what impress yourself means. My home gives me pride. You know, we worked really hard to buy a home. We're still like creating the spaces, but I just feel like it's where we were meant to be. I feel like I unwind the most when I'm in the kitchen with kids running around and making something yummy for the family and utilizing that space. I finally have a kitchen that I love being in too. So for me, I find it is moments just for me where I can kind of just be in there in my Zen world and just create good food for my family. Because we have a lot of stainless steel, you know, it's important for us to keep those pieces clean, and I love those pieces. And with tiny little fingers running around all the time, smudging them up, it's important for us to have things that we can clean them quickly on a day-to-day basis to keep them looking really nice and pretty. Community is important to us. We're lucky to live around, you know, a few of our family and some of our close friends. So having those gatherings, like at the end of a busy week, is always a really fun time for us. I've always wanted a wooden table outside. It's nice to be able to wipe it down, make it beautiful, you know, really give it that shine just to give myself, you know, that confidence. So when people come over, I know that they're gonna have a good time around this piece. It used to be our indoor table, but we just felt like we get so much use outside with it that it really kind of continues the flow of our space, and it allows us to kind of use the backyard as another living area. I think hospitality is just making people feel comfortable being in your space. It's not often that we get to hang out with everyone all at once, all the time. So the moments we do have those get-togethers and everyone can kind of like come and hang out, we love it. It's just a really nice moment.